Hi guys, it's Sweet2. Today we're having a quick look at Revere earrings. Alright, if we could ever get it out of the box. There we go. So you've got like a, almost on the front, it's like a Jewish star. Nice looking box. Open up, the earrings are in there. Not much to say about Revere, just something that you might come across. They seem quite nice. Got a nice little logo in the back there. It's a nice little case to keep your earrings safe. Got a nice, if you look there, they've got some nice, zoom in on that one, they've got some really nice pattern on the earrings, like a diamond effect. They're very, very small, only tiny, the size of your hand, but yeah, really good. They look nice on most ladies. That's a quick look at that Revere. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you later.